In 1892, William Painter, a U.S. inventor, created the bottle cap. It wasn't until 1894, 2 years later, when Painter first created the bottle opener. Most bottle openers today still resemble his original design. A team of engineers first start the designing process by creating different models using a 3D modeling program. For this project, surveys were also handed out to college students to see what they preferred. In this case, a metal gear design came out on top. Once a design is finalized, the next step is creating a prototype. A prototype can answer a lot of unknown questions. It also allows the client to make any changes, and it makes sure the product functions properly. These next few steps show the entire machining process in order to make the part. Some of these operations include drilling and milling. We'll go into greater detail about this later. The machine that's being used to create this part is called a CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. This prototype took about 10 minutes to complete. Before going into production, a CNC operator might make a few changes to the program in order to make the part at a faster rate. In some cases, the operator might need to change the entire program to speed up production. You can see the operator previewing the final cutting paths before going into production. During a manufacturing run, a different CNC machine is being used. This machine allows automatic tool change, which greatly reduces the overall time to make the entire project. Here you can see the operator setting up different tools to cut the part. Each tool must be measured properly and positioned in the machine at the correct spot. This particular part requires 5 different tools. Once the machine is set up, a different operator starts cutting the stock material using a horizontal bandsaw. The material that's being used is 6061 aluminum. This is a common type of aluminum that's used in industry. The stock material normally comes in 6-foot lengths. Here, the operator cuts down the part to be 3 1/4 inches long. You can see a stockpile of all the aluminum that's going to be used to manufacture the part. After the aluminum is cut, it can now be loaded into the CNC machine. To make this particular bottle opener, it requires 3 different operations. The first operation was to cut 5 different holes into the aluminum part. What you see here is the second CNC cutting operation. This part is located on a fixture. This fixture allows the CNC machine to cut the profile of the entire part. Once the second operation is done, the CNC operator removes the part and flips it over. This allows the machine to cut a smooth finish on the back side of the part. This is what a completed bottle opener looks like when it's taken out of the CNC machine. This machine was able to cut the part in only 6 minutes. Before the bottle openers are sold, they first go through a sandblaster. The sandblaster changes the surface finish of the bottle opener. It also allows the bottle opener to be more resilient to scratches. You can see the difference here before and after sandblasting. This is the entire process from start to finish. All the bottle openers that were created were then given to the Engineering Technology Club. The club then sold the bottle openers at their weekly fundraiser in order to attend the 2014 ATNA Robotics Competition. During the competition, the team actually came in second place among 7 other schools across the nation.